Wyatt Egan, past Boston extern and current PM. I'm here hitting the streets to see if anybody has any pressing questions about the CDC. Let's go find out. Do you have any questions about the CDC?
Yeah, I do actually. My name's Tommy Jackson. I'm a sophomore and I'm a history major. I have a LinkedIn account and I'm not sure how I should use it. Do you have any suggestions?
That's a great question. Jill's got a great answer for that one.
LinkedIn has some great features you can take advantage of. Helps you expand your network of peers, colleagues, and professors. You can also use LinkedIn to apply for internships and other job positions that pertain to your interests, as well as stay in the know with news, conferences, and other industry trends.
Great answer, Jill. Do you have any more questions for me?
Yeah, actually I do. Is there any way on LinkedIn that I can contact my colleagues directly?
Yes, Jill's got a great answer for that one. Let's see what she's got.
Great question, Tommy, and actually, yes, there is. LinkedIn has a direct message option where you can share ideas and insights and as well get advice from potential mentors. The alumni tool is also an amazing way to find Stonehill alums by their major, state, and industry. Book a networking appointment in Handshake to get LinkedIn profile advice and in-depth help from our career advisors. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to tune in next week for Word on the Hill.